Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how I do crayon melting art. There is the usual way, which we've all seen it. I have a good example. I used to be a teacher, and this is something one of my students gave me, where you glue the crayons all along the top and then you put a blow dryer to it and it melts the crayon and it looks really cool. My version, however, does not have the crayons glued at the top. You only melt the crayons to create your design. Here's an example. This was an ocean themed, and you always want to use something hard. For this one, I used cardboard. You can use cardboard, canvas. Paper just gets too wet and then it rips, so do not use paper. Unless you're coloring with the crayon, then go ahead, use paper all you want. Just don't melt the crayon on the paper. Today, I'm going to be making a galaxy. Here are the tools that you will need. You can either use a regular blow dryer or you can get a special craft blow dryer that is made for crayon melting. You'll need crayons. The colors I will be using are black, red, blue, metallic blue, metallic purple, pink, and white, and black paint with a paintbrush. I'll put in the link below to Amazon for that craft blow dryer. Okay, that's really all you need. Let's get started. The step you're going to do is you are going to get black paint and a paintbrush. The reason why I'm doing this is because I want my background to be black. We're going to use black crayons and we're going to use different color crayons and they're going to mix. But I just want to make sure that if there's an area where it's very thin, you can't see white. We're going to add white into it, and the only places that I want it to be white is where I tell it to be white. Thus, black paint. Okay, it's all black. You're going to want to wait till this is perfectly dry so that the wax has something to stick to. While we wait for it to dry, we could take the paper off.